Gotta use this new garage door opener today. There it goes. No unit on the ceiling. Good afternoon, guys. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan. This is Auto Detour, and today is a really big day. I've been looking forward to this since I was a kid, really. Today we're going to be picking up my 2-post lift. We're going to be hauling it back, somehow getting it off the trailer into the garage, and then of course, probably won't be today, but we're going to get it installed in the garage here. So we will have a 2-post lift on the channel. I'm really excited about it. But as usual, I'm late. We need to go pick up a trailer from our buddy Mojo and head down to the warehouse and pick it up. Gonna be pulling the trailer with Gramps today. If you are new to the channel, Gramps is my big turbo F-150. And this might actually be our first time pulling a trailer bigger than my little utility trailer with load on it. So it'll be kind of fun to test that out too. So yeah, big single 76mm turbo under the hood. Let's go put it to work. All right, super long drive down to Joe's house. See what he's got for us. There he is. Mojo. What's up, buddy?
How are you? Oh gosh. What's all this about?
You forget that I have a YouTube channel?
No.
You guys remember Joe? He made the trek down probably one of the most dangerous drives of my life, down to Omaha to pick up the Viper a couple years ago, which Viper's no longer with us.
That was probably one of the scariest things of all time.
Probably. No trailer lights, snowstorm, ice.
Semi-trucks doing 70 and just whiting out our entire thing.
Yeah, new to me, Viper on a U-Haul trailer. Try not to get your face in there.
It looks kind of funny when I'm doing this, doesn't it?
You like that bell ringer guy?
Yeah.
Has 9 carries in the middle of the field. Yeah.
Alright, let's go check this beast out.
Heavy end.
Heavy end. The whole thing is a heavy end.
Holy shit.
Whoa. Oh, yeah, you got it? Look at that thing. We can take this off. That'll save 10 pounds. So this is my father-in-law, Phil.
Hey.
Thanks for letting us use your warehouse.
Absolutely. This is exciting.
His crew got the delivery yesterday?
Yesterday. Came in. Truck freight.
So I don't know how people do this that don't have access to stuff like this. Be tough.
The dock drop-offs are good.
Yeah. Anyway, well, it's one thing to look at it. It's gonna be another thing to get it on the trailer.
We'll get it. We got the forklift.
There it is, guys. I'm really excited to get this guy home. We'll unwrap it. You guys can take a look at it. It is an Atlas 10,000 pound lift. It's a 2-post lift. Because I have a short garage ceiling, it is a floor plate lift, so that just means the cables and everything run across the floor under a plate rather than across the ceiling. Let's get this guy loaded up. Should be challenging. I don't know if that's gonna fit.
No, it's not. I can go over it.
Whoa.
That's gnarly.
That's terrifying.
Yeah.
How many pounds?
1,800 pounds.
No problem. Back that trailer in.
Back it up, baby. Oh, the money shot. Phil. Huh?
Like 200 bucks in.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're over.
Yeah, you're in, baby.
If you can go like 6 or 8 inches further. Yes.
You'll probably ride better.
Yeah.
Yeah, weight over the axles. Maybe 40.
Do we just break the trailer?
I've got a few of them.
So in case you guys are curious, this is where I get my merch made. This is where this hat was made and all my other merchandise. So just found this this in the free bin back there. But of course, you can pick up my merch in the link down below, or if you want to check out my father-in-law's promotional business, I'll put his website down below. He does lots and lots of promotional marketing stuff: pens, frisbees, glasses, shirts, sweatshirts, hats, you name it. Check out his link down below. I'm super appreciative to him for letting us use his warehouse to pick up the lift. So let's drag it home and get it in the garage. Joe, looks like you got the hookup on the free merch.
I did. He just kept giving me stuff.
I can't leave empty-handed. So I was gonna do a nice video of how the truck tows with all this weight on the freeway, but let's just say that I left the tie downs at home, and what we got set up here is less than stellar. So we're gonna take the back roads, and we'll see you guys at the house. We are back at the house. See if we can get this beast backed into the garage. It's a beast.
Yes, it is.
Look at those floor plates. Good grief. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. We got pads, we got the arms, we got hydraulic hoses, shims. These are the bolts for bolting it to the floor. Some huge pins for the arms, I'm assuming. Whoa.
Okay, you're off.
Alright guys, we did it. Little uncertain for a minute there if we were actually going to be able to get that off the trailer. That thing is super heavy. But this is it. This is the lift. Like I mentioned earlier, it is a 10,000 pound Atlas 2-post floor plate lift from Greg Smith Equipment. I'm going to get that guy installed on where this garbage is, in this third bay. But they even threw in a free oil drain here. I don't think I'm going to be able to lift anything that high, but it goes shorter, which is cool. Got the arms and all the cables and parts and pieces. Gonna be fun to get this guy put together. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Be sure to stick around for the install and being able to lift our first vehicle in the garage. So that'll be coming up very soon on the channel. If you like these videos, be sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great night. Talk to you next time.